Your customer comes in and complains that their door is hard to open or won't close at all. Maybe the frame is broken and nothing aligns anymore. Well, let's hope not. It's probably our little friend, the hinge bushing, or should I say, the lack of a hinge bushing. Your best bet is to go with the customer to the vehicle and try to lift upwards on the outer edge of the door. If there is noticeable play up and down, the hinge is worn, allowing the door to sag. This is a common design deficit on any vehicle with large, heavy doors, and it's been up there in years. In most cases, the pin is hardened and the hinge is just stamped steel. With constant motion over the years, the pin wears the hinge hole oblong and presto, sagging doors. Up until a few years ago, the only answer was to buy a new hinge from the OE dealer. Luckily today, there are numerous options. If it's a popular vehicle and a common failure, there are several aftermarket companies that produce new door hinges to replace the original. When selling these, it's important to be sure your customer has the proper tools for the repair. Door hinge bolts can be very difficult to remove. An impact driver makes all the difference in the world. Make their job easier by suggesting they mark the hinge location for easy reassembly. A caution about how heavy and big that door will go a long ways towards keeping them safe. The other option out there is a new pin and bushing kit. Some doors come with replaceable bushings and others do not. The kits usually require either pressing out the old bushing or boring the hinge and threading in a new replaceable bushing. Both kits will have new pins for the reassembly. The key when boring for a new bushing is to be sure that they are drilling and tapping in a perfectly vertical manner. Of course, the warning about the weight of an unhinged door is also applicable here. Regardless of which way they go, your assistance to ensure they have a door that closes securely will make them a customer for life. Thanks for being with us and have a great day.